Now we will see what all information we should write for Saree description. So before I explain, I'll just show you where it reflects. See, for example, this is the website, and this is one sari. So you see here, this is the description of the sari. This is called SKU, and there is something which is here: brand, categories, SKU, tags. Then comes the price, then the different colors, then add to cart, and you can ask a question. These are all the sharing links. Now once the sari picture is over, this here we can see the sari video, if it is there or not, some of the related products. Now here, this is what is we need to explain well in this sari description. So I have made a Word document where you can easily see. Now this is the sari description. So let us see each sari. You need to fill all these fields, like around 10-15 fields are there. So you can write for each sari what is the title of the sari, which is you can write a sentence about the sari. It's a Banarasi silk or beautiful tussar silk, or cotton sari with red color blouse. Whatever you wanted to give the title, keep the title here. Here is example is given: Banarasi silk sari with Banarasi silk blouse, and in bracket you need to write the SKU code. I will explain about the SKU code down. Another one is, next one you need to fill is the products, which is always a simple, because you have only one product. Suppose if you have same sari but different colors, same material, same design, everything design but of different then it comes the variable. But most of the cases it is yours is simple. For example, a shirt has got same shirt but of different colors, right? So that is what is called variable. So here in your cases, you will write simple. Then you will see the price. Price we can have, if you want to give some discount, you can write the sale price here. Otherwise, if you don't want any discount, either you can leave it blank or you can write the same price. The next one is the sari category. If it is a new, write new. Pre-owned means write pre-owned. Stitched means you write stitched. Next is fabric and material. Here we have already listed so many fabrics. So you see, if your sari belongs to any of this fabric, then you write that fabric here. If it is cotton, dollar silk. Suppose if your sari fabric is not mentioned here, you have two options. Either you write as uncategorized, or you can send a message to us to include that. You yourself cannot include, but you have to request to us, so we will include that for you. Otherwise you can write uncategorized. The next is the weave. Same thing, or most of the weaves are written here. But in case if you don't find your weave here, either you write uncategorized or you request to us to add that weave here. Most of the cases you may not know whether what is a weave. Officially you do not know what is the weave. If you do not know, also you write as uncategorized. Now, next one is the occasion. It's 5, 6 occasions I've written. Designer sari means like a boutique where you design the designer piece. Festival sari means like special Durga Puja sari, Onam sari, like that, where we use it for festival. Party wear like shimmer and glitter and those kind of saris. And traditional classic like Kanjipuram and all those Paithani. This is all called traditional classic saris. Wedding sari means like a bridal sari. So these are the categories. If you want to include us to include any more categories, do let us know. So we will do that. And if nothing is working out, you still can write uncategorized if you do not know what type of sari it is. Another one is others in the website. When you put it, you just need to put some kind of other services, which is already explained in other training video for the vendors. The next one is product brands. Here, some of the brands have written. In case if your company or your brand shop name is not here, then you write uncategorized. To put in this list, you may have to pay additional charge. So if you don't want to pay, then it's fine. So I'll show you where it comes. So these things in the product, when somebody, some odd customers, when they check, I will just show you. So here the customers can search for seller location, pre-owned, attributes. This is what, when you click there, when you write those things, it appears here. Let's say different fabric. So if you need to choose the right kind of fabric, then only it will come here. This is the brand. You see, if to come, so some customers will specifically search for this company's product. So like that, they have an option of choosing. So that is what is reflecting here. So if it is not there, you have to let us know. The tax is a general, it's the same copy pasting. Then your shop category visibility, it is also the same. The next one is the SKU code. This SKU code would be given from us at the time of registrations, and after that, all you need to add is the product, some identification number or some code where you want to identify this is particular for this product. Next is the managing stock. You will write always tick that there should be at least one. If you have the same saree for more than one, then you will write that stock quantity, otherwise it is one. Here, allow back orders means we usually don't allow back orders, means even if it is not, the stock is not there, you can order, that's what it shows. But here, no, we don't allow that. And sold individually, you write no, untick it. The next one is the attributes, which is very important, so you need to choose properly. Okay, I will show you what is this attributes. Let's say you're clicking a product, a buyer customer is clicking one product, and whatever is writing here, look here on the Saree distribution attributes. This is the attribute which is the commitment or quality commitment from your end. It is showing what is the weight of the product. Usually it is one. What is the color, damage claim, if there is any, no damage claim, dry cleaned, yes, or a sari category. This is all, it's coming from the other page which we are entering. Now look here, attribute. What is a blouse type? It is ready-made blouse or with blouse piece or without blouse piece. You need to specifically mention here. The color, again, this is the sari color. It's very important that you need to note down. Some colors, most of the colors are written here. But let's say, for example, there is a bright purple and dark purple. So if you're there is a slight variations here and there, either you ignore it or you can write, mention it very specifically, so that you know the we need to write as much as possible to describe the sari. This will reduce the tendency of refunding and the customer dissatisfaction. So you need to write all that, so that you can even write in, when you write very specific colors, you can write here with the sari color. So that's what the color of the sari is very important. Again, if it is not there in your if you wanted to add a few more colors, you can let us know, otherwise it will fit into it, and you can write very specific colors in your descriptions. This damage claim is another important aspect. Either it is new sari, that means there is no damage. Pre-owned but no damage at all. Even though there are pre-owned saris, sometimes the model is wearing for one day. Wedding sari you're wearing for one day, so it's okay. There is no damage means no damage at all. Pre-owned but having little damage, like unnoticeable damage, safety pin and all is unnoticeable. Pre-owned having some noticeable damage. If it is a noticeable damage, then you need to write that in detail. What is the damage? So that the customer will not say that I didn't know that there is a damage, and then they will ask for refund. Anytime refund, that it is a two times courier charge has to be borne by the seller. So it's better you write very in detail if there is any damage. Next one is, see, that is what it is mentioned here, is you need to describe the damage here. The next one is whether it is new sari or it's dry cleaned, or sometimes some saris, if you it is not dry cleaned, claim it. That is most important. It's a home wash, then you write home washed. Don't give any uncleaned sari. Even if it is a used one, it should look like brand new, where they feel like, yes, it's a nice sari that they want to wear. If it is a new sari, then anyway, it is how it looks like a new sari, it should look. Every sari should look like that. Next one is sari with the video. Yes, you need to put the saris with the video. At least one. Again, the purpose of putting the video is to reduce the refund. They will know. Sometimes when you take the pictures, it is not getting giving the real clear the color of the sari. So if you take some videos of pallu, mundani, borders, all that including, so at least they know, okay, this is how it looks. Next one you are writing, it is a seller category. Whether it is a boutique or individual designer, which you already, at the time of registrations, you already submit that. The same thing, you have to just mention that. Why you have to mention it? Again, as